Hello everyone, I'm Jessica and welcome to Learning English with Jessica. In this video, we're going to listen and practice our English through many different conversations. You can play it again repeatedly while engaging in other activities to help your brain memorize the language. Be patient and you will swiftly improve your speaking and listening skills. Now, let's jump right into the video. Topic: Practice speaking English in real-life situations. Hi everyone! Today we will continue to practice our English speaking skills. You will play one of the characters in the dialogue and communicate with the others. Remember to say the sentences out loud as if you were in a real situation. We will learn topics at a restaurant, job interviews, at a hotel, and at a clinic. Let's get started. Amanda is at a restaurant. Help her with her lines to practice your English. Hi, my name is Justin. I'll be your waiter this evening. Can I see a menu, please? Sure, here you are. What are today's specials? We have chicken marsala and grilled fish. That sounds good, but I ate chicken yesterday. We have many other dishes. I'll have steak and cheese on rye. Would you like something to drink? I'll have water. Would you like to order anything else? That'll be all for now, thank you. Yes, sure. Here's your steak and cheese on rye, ma'am. But I ordered cheese on rye bread, not cheese on rye sandwich. You just said cheese on rye. You didn't specifically say bread or sandwich. But you didn't ask me. Well, And I wanted my steak medium rare, but it's overcooked. But I know I didn't tell you I wanted a medium rare steak, but you have to ask the customer. Yes, I know. I'm sorry about that. Let me ask our chef to prepare another one. I would appreciate that. By the way, would you like to drink water with ice or without ice? No ice, thanks for asking. May I help you, madam? I could not finish it, I'm stuffed. Would you like to take it home? That would be great. Yes, I'll bring you a container. Thank you. And could I have the bill, please? Yes, sure. Thank you for choosing our restaurant. Actually, I'm the quality control inspector of the company. Quality control inspector? Yes, and your attitude is good, but you need to be more careful when serving a customer. I understand. Try your best, Justin. Goodbye. Goodbye. Josh is having a job interview. Help him get the job. Good morning and welcome to ABC Company. My name is Mark. I'm the marketing manager. Thank you for taking the time to interview me. How was the traffic coming over here? The traffic was good this morning. As you know, there is an open position in my department. Yes, I read about the position on your website. Why are you switching jobs at this point in your career? Our company is moving overseas, but I want to stay in the U.S. What would you consider your strengths? I've always had a strong creative side and an interest in visual arts. Good. Anything else? I'm also a hardworking person and a fast learner. I'm very eager to learn, and I get along fine with people. If a customer left a negative review of our product on a social media site, how would you respond to the customer? I'd send them an email, then respond on the review platform and let them know we've reached out privately. What if they continue complaining? Take responsibility, even if it's not our fault, and work out a solution with the customer. Can you handle the pressure? Good pressure, such as having many assignments or upcoming deadlines, helps me to stay motivated and productive. Do you have any questions for me? No, I think I have a pretty good understanding of the job. Okay, I will email you about the interview results after 1 week. It's nice to meet you. You're a good candidate. Nice meeting you too. Thank you for your time. Thank you for coming. Candace is at a hotel. Help her with her lines. Good morning. Welcome to the Nines Hotel. How may I help you? Hello, I'd like a room, please. Do you have a reservation? No, I don't. How many nights will you stay? I'll be staying for 2 nights. How many people is the reservation for? Just for me. Do you want breakfast? No, thank you. Okay. How much is a room? It is $80 a night. The price is perfectly acceptable. Do you want to pay now or when you check out? I'll pay now. Do you accept Visa cards? Yes, we do. Can you fill this in and sign here, please? Sure. And here's my card. Thank you. Here's your key. You're in room 305 on the 3rd floor. Thanks. This is room 305. I'd like to order a room service, please. What can I do for you? I'd like some grapefruit juice, 2 eggs with 2 sausages, and garlic noodles, please. Yes, sure. How long will it take? Just a few minutes. Great. By the way, does your hotel have a fitness facility? Yes, of course. We have a great exercise facility. That's great. Where is it? The gym is below the lobby. You can take the elevator. Do I have to pay extra? No, the gym is absolutely free. Just take your room key so you can get in. That's great. Thank you. Anthony has an appointment with the doctor. Help him figure out his illness. Good morning, sir. How may I help you? Hi. I have an appointment with the doctor this morning. May I know your name and phone number? I can search for your details through your phone number. I'm Anthony. My phone number is 310-504-8472. Okay, I found your details. Your appointment is at 10 a.m. That's right. Please take a seat. I will notify you when the doctor's ready. Thank you. Dr. Mark is ready for your appointment. Please follow me. Great. Good morning. How are you? I'm great. Thank you. How about you? I'm good. So tell me, what's bothering you? I have a stomach ache. What did you eat last night? I ate out with some friends. We all had pizza and a cold drink. Did you puke anytime? No, but I'm feeling quite weak, and I'm unable to eat anything. It may be a case of food poisoning. Oh, what should I do now? I'm feeling so unwell. Drink plenty of water and get plenty of rest. Take these medicines and consume them as per the instructions in this note. You should be fine within 3 days. Thank you so much, doctor. You can get these medicines at the pharmacy. And please, Schedule a follow-up appointment for tomorrow at the front desk. Sure. Thanks once again. You're welcome. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice English every day to improve your skills. Watch the video at least 3 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Try to mimic the intonation and pronunciation in the video to enhance your speaking fluency and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Please subscribe to the Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos.